Good evening and happy Friday, everyone. Despite having a mask mandate in place, the Fargo Public School District has a higher percentage of students testing positive for COVID-19 compared to the West Fargo School District, where masks are optional.
Valley News Team's JC Dodd joins us to break down the numbers. JC?
Mike, Stacy, I looked at the numbers from both districts today, and this is the top takeaway. Of the 11,400 students in the Fargo School District as of today, 36 have tested positive for COVID-19. That number is shown here in red. That's a positivity rate of 0.31%. West Fargo, with a total of 12,300 students, has a total of 30 students testing positive for COVID as of today, shown here in yellow. Compared to Fargo, that's a slightly lower positivity rate of 0.24%. Now we're going to go ahead and look specifically at the Fargo School District. Here it's broken down by school level. Elementary schools in the district have 23 students testing positive, the highest positivity rate among the school levels within the district at 0.44%. That's followed by 6 middle schoolers testing positive at 0.24%. And finally, there are 7 high schoolers in the district testing positive for a positivity rate at 0.2%. Now let's look at the West Fargo numbers. Again, masks are optional in these schools, and out of more than 12,300 students, a total of 30 have tested positive. Breaking it down, at the district's elementary schools, 20 students are identified as active positive cases. That's 0.32%. At the middle schools, 5 have tested positive, and that's a rate of 0.18%. And finally, at the 3 high schools in the district, 5 students have tested positive with a positivity rate of 0.15%. Finally, let's look at the numbers of staff members who are testing positive in each district. Fargo, here in red, has a total of 11 staffers testing positive for COVID-19, and we're told 6 of those are elementary teachers. And in West Fargo schools, 8 staffers have tested positive, with 6 of them being teachers in elementary classrooms. Also today, I spoke with West Fargo's district spokesperson, who says they're currently reviewing their mitigation strategies, and if any changes are made, they would first have to be adopted by the school board. Mike, Stacy.
All right, thanks so much. That data comes one day after Essentia Health physicians sent a letter to school leaders urging them to require universal masking.
The letter encourages masking. It was sent to school leaders sharing concerns about outbreaks. They write the Delta variant has the capacity to make children very sick, pointing to southern states where roughly 2% of hospitalizations are now among children. The doctors addressed the controversy surrounding masks, admitting the science behind masking is, quote, immature, but saying they still believe in the efficacy of cloth masks.